Hi guys, today we would like to share with you this miracle juice of apple, carrot and sweet potato. This miracle juice is what you rarely heard of. It's wonderful. The benefits are that you can take care of your eyes, make your brain, mind alert, prevention of cancer, and also it can make your cancer cell to normal. Your lung, your heart, pancreas, and most of your organs will be taken care of by this miracle juice. Okay, here we have 3 apples, 3 carrots, and 1 sweet potato, about the size equivalent to 3 carrots. Okay, so what we do? We will cut the sweet potato into smaller pieces. See, very nice. This is the reddish type. Any color will do. Sweet potato. Okay, these are small pieces. Then okay, you see, one jar of the juice. So nice, the color. Wow, looks great. Cheers. Yeah, wonderful taste. So this miracle juice can take care of the whole body wellness, and it has wonderful minus fiber for our guts. Take care of our guts, our colon. Yeah, very tasty.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Okay guys, try it at home and keep well.
See you guys
See
later.
you